Okay, today's lesson is on tulips. When is it a good time to plant them in Illinois? You should plant them before the first frost, so October is a good time to plant the bulbs for tulips in Illinois. Once you plant them, they will come back year after year, and they call it a perennial. So tulips are perennial. Some gardeners dig up the bulb after they bloom and replant them year after year. I live in Illinois and plant them once. The tulips come back year after year. They usually come back in April or around Easter time. It's really nice to see all the different colors if you plant different colored ones. The best time to plant tulips is before the first frost in Illinois. Okay, tulip bulb looks like a small onion. Tulips are planted in October and they are spring flowering bulbs. They can be planted anywhere in your garden. You should dig about 6 inches down and plant them 6 inches apart. When you plant the bulb, make sure the pointed side is facing up. Okay, so I'm just going to share with you the different color ones that I'm going to plant. I'm going to plant some orange, some white tulips, and some purple ones. And then I have a mixture, I probably went overboard, and double tulips. Okay, so that'd be really pretty. And I'm just going to show you the bulb itself. Like I said, it looks like a small onion. Okay, so here's the bulb itself. You would plant it with the point facing up. So this would go at the bottom and then put the dirt on top of that. And I'm going to also attach a small video of me planting some of them. If you like my channel, please subscribe.